Gassinomics has no time to play tricks like I won't ride Bastazola. This poetic explosion is so relaxed. Yes, I am made in Soweto. I am a black product from the ghetto. I am a product of the ghetto where lonely nights and constant fights close the gap between wrong and right. Here, the highest position is location management or management. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Togo's Palace. Tonight, we dance Pela like the legends of the 70s. Tonight, we laugh until we drop. Tonight, cheap champagne bottles will pop. Tonight, men might even beat their wives up in drunken rage. See, this is Togo's Palace, and at Togo's Palace, the raw reality is covered up by the seemingly scintillating conversation. Ospiliki sits in the corner as she takes a sip of her Via Orlando. She thinks of how a Prince Charming might come in, sweep her off her feet, and whisk her into a better tomorrow. But Rosa, drunk and abusive, slaps her into reality. See, Binky's life is Saturday nights of drunken watching, cigarette smoking, wearing pink silk stockings and dirty